donation drives, surgical outreaches, community volunteering projects, and many more.
During this lockdown, we faced many difficulties. First one, medicines. In that time, VMC group, they helped me in giving medicine, then some rations, groceries. Rations may not understand. In that way, they were helped us.
We were in the house one day. Overnight, flood just came. In the morning, we met ourselves inside water. I was pregnant when the flood came, and I went to the camp with the pregnancy. I gave birth 2 days ago at the camp. Today, I'm so excited because the volunteer medical corps came. They checked me, checked my baby, and they gave me drugs, mosquito nets. So I'm so grateful.
Various parties all over the world engage youths for nefarious purposes. But God has given us access to take healing to the world of young people. Through the Global Youth Leaders Forum and the Future Africa Leaders Foundation, we are focused on reaching young people with our undeniable message of hope and a glorious future.
It's been such a wonderful time being here in Managua, Nicaragua in our GYLF conference. It's been so impactful. We've seen many being ordained, to keep spreading the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ, and so thankful for what they've already received. Thank you so much, Pastor Chris. I love you so much. And Nicaragua, Latin America, love you so much.
As the coming of the Lord draws near, the scriptures reveal his expectation of us in Luke 19:13. It says, "Operate with